My name's Darryl Cross. I'm Managing Director here at Ebalta UK, a subsidiary of the German company, Ebalta GmbH, German organisation, privately owned with a turnover of 25 million euros. Here in the UK, obviously, we're considerably smaller than our German colleagues, but we take the products that they manufacture in Germany and we distribute them to UK industries. Primarily, it's epoxy and polyurethane, solid and liquid materials that our customers take and turn into something far more exciting than when it leaves here. And they're making patterns, they're making master models, they're making prototype tools, prototype parts for automotive industry, for the marine industry, for the household industry, for your mobile phones and things. They all start off as prototypes. The cars that you drive are essentially developed with the use of Ebalta materials. We've been a Sage customer since March 2008. We actually purchased the system in around about January 2008 and went live with a very short deadline to March 2008. And we adopted the Sage200 software and the Sage CRM process at the same time as well. Since we put Sage200 in, we're able to produce our own in-house management accounts each month. We give Germany, our parent company in Germany, direct access into the Sage system, so they can log directly in from Germany and they can call up our management accounts at any time they want through the month. They can see our performance on a daily basis if they want to. We also have the great advantage we're able to track the profitability of each order that goes through here by customer and by product, which means we can see whether we're achieving our monthly margin target and take corrective actions very early if we're losing money on product sales and things. A lot of our products are batch numbered. We now have the ability to control each order that goes out of here by batch number. If we have a quality issue with one of the products, we can immediately call up any customer that's had the same batch number product, so we can contact them to see whether they've experienced problems. The original system we had, you had to input your sales order and input your accounting information to raise your invoice completely separately. We had no computer network, so a system that enabled us to do the whole process all in one, that automatically generated the invoice in the packing note, the dispatch note and everything was a huge step forward for us at the time. CRM provides us with great visibility amongst all of the employees. Some of our employees work part-time, so if they've had contact with a customer in the morning, they record that in CRM, and then if somebody else takes a call from the same customer in the afternoon, they're immediately up to date and can see the most recent conversation and the most recent activity with that customer. We also use it as part of our ISO 9001 quality system where we record the customer service log. So all of our minor complaints are recorded on there, tracked, and it outputs the reports and graphs and things for us that comply with our ISO system. I came across CPIO by chance, effectively. I was living in Essex at the time. Was planning to come and join the business up here in the Midlands, so contacted Sage and asked them for a list of resellers in the area. Made 3 phone calls to various resellers and felt confident from the initial contact with CPIO that they offered the best advice, really, because anybody can sell software, but we need people to advise us, to guide us through the whole process, because it was a completely new learning experience for us. This was the first software implementation I've been involved with. We also had to implement a hardware upgrade as well at the same time. We had no computer network in the company previously, so we had to install a server, hardware, software as well, and they've kind of held a hand all the way through that process. And it's just like us having our own IT resource on site, which is something that realistically we wouldn't be able to afford. Our product range is expanding all the time. We're adding new products to double our sales. Obviously, we brought on a whole number of new customers. It's reassuring for us to know that the Sage software is designed to grow with us as well and accommodate our future growth needs. We also want to install a manufacturing facility here over the coming 18 months. And again, that will give us excellent traceability through the Sage system of the products, and the manufacturing element, the bringing the different raw materials together, will be controlled through the Sage software as well.